Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen snacks you'll love. Have you ever noticed your joints feeling stiff, your legs weaker than before, or your hands tingling for no apparent reason? These are often early signs that your body is running low on collagen, one of the most abundant and essential proteins in the human body. Collagen provides the framework that holds skin, joints, muscles, and bones together, keeping your body strong, flexible, and resilient. As we age, natural collagen production declines, and the consequences can show up as slower recovery from daily activities, discomfort while moving, and a gradual loss of mobility. While many people associate collagen with creams or beauty products, its true importance goes far beyond appearance. It's a foundational nutrient for strength, joint health, nerve function, and overall physical comfort. In this video, I'll show you 8 collagen-rich snacks that are designed to help your body rebuild and maintain its collagen stores, improve flexibility, reduce discomfort, and boost energy. They are simple, delicious, and backed by research, making it easy to nourish your body while enjoying tasty, functional treats every day. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Vitality. By joining our community, you'll get regular tips, advice, and proven strategies to stay healthy, strong, and full of energy every day. The first snack is dark chocolate almond clusters, a combination that feels indulgent while supporting your body from the inside out. High-quality dark chocolate, preferably 70 to 85% cacao, is rich in flavonols and proanthocyanidins, compounds that help protect collagen and support the body's natural repair systems. These antioxidants reduce inflammation, protect DNA, and promote healthier skin and joints. When combined with roasted almonds, the snack provides amino acids such as arginine and proline, which are critical for collagen synthesis. Adding dried goji berries introduces vitamin C, which is essential for collagen formation and helps your body use the nutrients effectively. To prepare, gently melt 1 ounce of dark chocolate, stir in a handful of roasted almonds, and add a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Drop spoonfuls onto a plate or molds, then chill until firm. These little clusters offer a perfect balance of sweetness, crunch, and functionality. Over time, consistent consumption can help reduce stiffness, improve circulation, and support nerve function. Variations can include hazelnuts, pistachios, or other low-sugar dried fruits, allowing you to tailor the snack to your taste while keeping its collagen-boosting benefits intact. Number 2. Gelatin fruit nibbles. Gelatin fruit nibbles are an easy and versatile way to deliver collagen directly to the body. Gelatin is broken down collagen, making it highly bioavailable and ready for immediate absorption. It is rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, which are essential for maintaining healthy joints, skin, and connective tissue. Research shows that consuming gelatin before exercise can reduce joint pain by up to 37%, demonstrating its tangible effects on mobility and comfort. To make these nibbles, warm 1 cup of unsweetened fruit juice. Cherry or pomegranate works well. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of powdered gelatin until fully dissolved. Add fresh berries or chopped nuts for extra vitamin C, fiber, and healthy fats. Pour into small molds and refrigerate until firm. The final product is soft, easy to chew, and highly effective at supporting tissue repair. Over time, these nibbles can improve joint flexibility, reduce stiffness in knees or hips, and help hands regain steadiness. For variation, try different juices, combine with tropical fruits, or even add a pinch of cinnamon to boost flavor and antioxidant content. Number 3. Chicken bone broth bites. Bone broth is one of the most powerful sources of natural collagen, and when transformed into small bites, it becomes a convenient snack that delivers concentrated benefits. Slow simmering chicken bones releases collagen, glycine, and proline, all of which are critical for repairing connective tissue, rebuilding cartilage, and supporting nerve function. Even half a cup a day can reduce creaky joints and improve the ease of movement. To prepare, collect leftover chicken bones from roasts or wings. Combine them in a large pot with water, vinegar, and chop vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, and simmer for 8 hours. Strain and cool the broth until it forms a gel, then cut into bite-sized pieces. Warm gently before eating and add lemon or fresh herbs for flavor. Regular consumption of these bites can help restore strength in the legs, reduce tingling in the hands, and support overall physical resilience. For added variety, consider adding a touch of turmeric or ginger for extra anti-inflammatory effects. Number 4. Cantaloupe Mint Bites. Cantaloupe is a refreshing fruit that is surprisingly rich in vitamin C, a nutrient required for collagen synthesis. Just 1 cup of cantaloupe provides nearly 2/3 of your daily vitamin C requirement, making it an excellent choice for supporting joints, skin, and connective tissue. Adding mint leaves and a squeeze of lime enhances the flavor while providing additional antioxidants and digestive benefits. To prepare, cut cantaloupe into bite-sized cubes, toss with fresh mint leaves, a drizzle of lime juice, and a sprinkle of chopped pistachios or almonds for healthy fats and extra protein. These bites are hydrating, low-calorie, and perfect for a mid-morning or afternoon snack. Regular consumption helps maintain flexibility, reduce stiffness in fingers and knees, and support overall tissue health. For variation, consider adding a few blueberries or a light dash of cinnamon to further boost antioxidant levels and flavor. Number 5. Tomato caprese salad snack. Tomatoes are a collagen-friendly food, rich in vitamin C and lycopene, a strong antioxidant that protects existing collagen from damage. When paired with healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil or fresh mozzarella, tomato-based snacks become a powerful way to nourish connective tissue. The combination enhances nutrient absorption and supports healthy joints, skin, and nerves. For a simple snack, slice a ripe tomato and layer it with mozzarella or cubes of avocado for a dairy-free alternative. Drizzle lightly with olive oil and add a few fresh basil leaves. Allow the flavors to meld for a few minutes before enjoying. This snack provides hydration, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids, helping reduce inflammation and maintain tissue integrity. Variations can include adding roasted bell peppers, a sprinkle of sunflower seeds, or a touch of balsamic vinegar for flavor and additional nutrients. Number 6. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, containing more than 3 times the amount found in an orange. When paired with protein-rich Greek yogurt, this combination supports collagen production, tissue repair, and joint health. Adding nuts like almonds or walnuts provides healthy fats and minerals, while a drizzle of honey adds natural sweetness without compromising benefits. To prepare, chop fresh guava and mix it with plain Greek yogurt. Add nuts and a squeeze of lime for an extra vitamin C boost. This bowl is easy to digest, nutrient-dense, and highly satisfying. Eating it regularly can reduce tingling in hands, improve leg strength, and maintain skin elasticity. For variety, try adding a pinch of cinnamon, fresh mint, or a few pomegranate seeds to boost flavor and antioxidant content. Number 7. Kiwi Crunch Snack. Kiwi is another vitamin C powerhouse, essential for collagen synthesis. Just 2 or 3 kiwis per day can provide the body with the vitamin C it needs to strengthen skin, joints, and connective tissues. Combining kiwi with toasted almonds or walnuts provides protein and healthy fats that support tissue repair and nerve health. To prepare, slice fresh kiwi and sprinkle with nuts and a small pinch of sea salt or chili flakes for an optional circulation boost. This snack is bright, refreshing, and easy to consume, making it perfect for a mid-morning or afternoon pick-me-up. Regular consumption supports flexibility, reduces stiffness in joints, and helps maintain strength and steadiness in the legs. Variations include pairing with other fruits like pineapple or berries, or adding a light drizzle of Greek yogurt for creaminess. Number 8. Pineapple Nut Bites. Pineapple is uniquely beneficial due to bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and supports joint comfort. When combined with vitamin C and nuts like cashews or macadamias, it creates a snack that aids collagen formation, promotes tissue repair, and enhances energy. A sprinkle of cinnamon or fresh mint can add additional antioxidant support and digestive benefits. To prepare, cut pineapple into chunks, toss with nuts, and optionally sprinkle cinnamon or fresh mint. These bites are tropical, flavorful, and supportive of connective tissue health. Regular consumption may reduce stiffness, improve leg and hand strength, and maintain joint comfort. Variations include mixing with mango or papaya, or adding a small drizzle of honey to enhance sweetness and antioxidant content. Together, these 8 snacks provide a full spectrum of collagen-supporting nutrients, antioxidants, amino acids, and healthy fats. Incorporating them into your daily life can reduce tingling in the hands, strengthen weak legs, protect joints, and support nerve health. Even adding 1 or 2 snacks per day can have meaningful, cumulative benefits that build over time. Collagen-rich nutrition not only supports physical comfort, but also encourages a sense of resilience and confidence in movement, helping you feel more in control of your body as you age. When consumed consistently, these snacks contribute to steady mobility, enhanced tissue repair, and overall vitality. They help maintain joint flexibility, promote healthy circulation, and reduce the risk of inflammation-related discomfort. Over weeks and months, people often notice that tasks which once felt difficult, such as climbing stairs, standing for long periods, or carrying groceries, become easier and less taxing on the body. Beyond physical improvements, there is also a noticeable mental boost. Feeling stronger and more agile often leads to increased motivation, higher energy levels, and a greater willingness to engage in daily activities, social interactions, and light exercise, which further reinforces collagen production naturally. If you found this video helpful and want more simple, science-based tips to support your heart and overall health, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video that can help you live stronger, longer, and healthier.